Hello and welcome back to another Meals of the Week video. I say Meals of the Week, it isn't necessarily stuff that we've eaten all in one week because sometimes I forget to film our meals and sometimes it's just really the same stuff that I've already filmed and are in previous videos. So instead of always being the same stuff, I just choose not to film it and then I just put 7 meals together. So you can eat all of these in one week if you want, but it's not necessarily what we've eaten in the whole week. But they are all plant-based meals, usually nice and quick and easy because I don't like doing anything too complicated. All ingredients you can get in a normal supermarket. Yeah, I hope you enjoy them. This is today's dinner. It's this My House black bean chilli and it is the Callum Harris one. We've not had this one before, but it looks nice. And then I've just put it on top of a jack potato and then got some salad on the side. For today's dinner, we've got this harissa lentil penne, which is again from this Proper Healthy Callum Harris book. And then it's got some lentils in there, obviously some rose harissa, carrots, onion, and tomatoes obviously, and then I've just sprinkled over some nutritional yeast on top, and that is our dinner for this evening. So for today's dinner we have got the Bird's Eye Green Cuisine fishless fingers and some fish and chips and some chips from the fish and chip shop. So nice quick lazy meal today. For today's dinner we've got one of these plant potato tortillas from Lidl. I've cut it up for us, and then I've got some garlic and rosemary potatoes, and then some fried leek and mushroom, and then Lucy's got a salad because she doesn't like leeks. And that is today's dinner. So for today's dinner we've got something that we have quite often, which is the sticky tofu, but I've done some chard in with it today, and also put some 10 stem broccoli and some edamame beans with it as well. And that is what we have for our dinner today. So for today's dinner we've just got another quick and easy one. It's just pasta, pesto, so we just use this free from pesto from Tesco. And then I've just added in some sweet corn because I opened a tin of sweet corn the other day to add some to a little wrap pizza. And I only used about 6 bits of sweet corn, so there's loads left, so I just chucked it in with the pasta. And then we've just got some of these garlic stick, like ciabatta breads to go with it. So for today's dinner we've got quesadillas with some Mexican rice. So there's sweet potato in there, black beans, red pepper, sweet corn, some avocado, and a bit of cheese, and yeah, then cut in half. Just use the small Costa Monica wraps because they're smaller and they're better. And that's today's dinner.